How to activate Bank of America credit card online. Let's get started. Activating a Bank of America credit card is a straightforward process and you can choose to do it online through the mobile app or over the phone. Firstly, heading towards online, go to the Bank of America website, then provide your credentials to log into your account. Once logged in, enter your credit card details such as the card number, security code, and any other required information. You may need to answer security questions or verify your identity through a code sent to your email or mobile number. Follow the prompts to activate your credit card. You should receive a confirmation that your card is activated. Now, using mobile app, make sure you have downloaded Bank of America mobile app. Log into your account. Once logged in, look for the card activation option under the Banking or Card Services menu. Input your credit card number and any other required details. Follow the prompts to activate your card. You should get a confirmation on your app once your card is active. Lastly, you can use the customer service number provided by Bank of America to activate your credit card. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily activate Bank of America credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.